Most men make a fatal mistake. When a woman pulls away, they panic, they chase, they send paragraph-long messages, they try to pull her closer. This is weakness, and weakness is never attractive. If you want a woman to miss you, truly, deeply, and uncontrollably, you must stop acting like a safe, predictable option. You have to give her something she cannot get anywhere else, mystery. Whether you are in a relationship or just talking to someone new, the rules of human psychology do not change. We only crave what we cannot easily have. Today, I am going to teach you 7 psychological triggers. These are not games. This is how you rewire her brain to obsess over you, even if she thinks she is not interested. Step 1. The void. Cut the communication. Most women are used to men submissively chasing them, but nobody can miss you if you are always there. By pulling back and silencing your phone, you create a void. Her brain hates empty spaces. When she does not hear from you, her imagination will run wild. She will start asking herself, what is he doing? Why isn't he talking to me? Soon, that curiosity turns into anxiety. She will imagine you with other people. By not contacting her, you prove that your life continues perfectly without her. In psychology, this feels like rejection, and romantic rejection stimulates the exact same part of the brain as addiction. She realizes she is just an option, not a requirement, and that rejection will make her crave you. Step 2. The silent flex. When a woman misses you, the very first place she will check is your social media. If she looks and sees nothing, she assumes you are doing nothing. People are conditioned to believe that if it is not posted online, it did not happen. So, you must drop hints. Post your wins, post your successes, post a sharp picture of yourself. You do not need to be arrogant. You just need to let her timeline remind her that your life is moving forward, and she is missing out on the fun. Women want to be part of a winning man's life. Show her the lifestyle she no longer has access to. Step 3. Deny the fix. When she realizes you have vanished, she will try to set a trap. She will try to get your attention indirectly. She will post a beautiful picture. She might post a vague status update just to see if you are watching. She is acting like a fiend looking for a fix of validation. Do not give it to her. Do not like the picture. Do not watch the story immediately. Ignore the trap. If you click like, you give her validation. You tell her, I see you, and I am still waiting for you. But when she looks at her notifications and your name is missing, it will drive her crazy. You deny her the ego boost. Step 4. The neutral response. Eventually she will reach out. When she does, do not show excitement. Being overly eager is a massive turn-off. It shows dependency. If you reply immediately with high energy, she will picture you sitting by the phone, waiting for her text. Instead, be vague. Be polite, but cold. If she asks what you are doing, do not give her a long explanation. A simple, hey, I'm doing well, just busy, is perfect. It is polite, but it gives her zero information. Ambiguity forces her to keep guessing. Step 5. The phantom rival. You must introduce the shadow of competition. You do not need to date someone else to do this. Simply post a picture with a group of friends where another woman is present. Tag a female friend in a post. Her inner detective will activate instantly. She will stalk that profile. She will try to figure out who this new woman is. Her imagination will always assume the worst. By simply hinting that you have other options, her competitive nature will force her to try and win your attention back. Step 6. Psychological anchoring. Give her a unique nickname based on something common, a favorite food, a color, or a show. Do not make it too rare. Make it something she will encounter in her daily life. Every single time she sees that object or hears that word, her brain will forcefully bring up a memory of you. This is associative memory, and it is highly effective. Finally, step 7. The mentor dynamic. Teach her something new. Women are biologically wired to seek capable leaders. When you teach her a skill or share unique knowledge, you establish authority. You stop being just a guy she talks to, and you become a source of value. Making a woman miss you is not about luck. It is about understanding human psychology. Control your emotions, value your own time, and let silence do the heavy lifting. If you are ready to master the dark psychology of attraction, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.